So hi everybody, we are now in Lorient, in the heartland of South Brittany, where even the Coke is locally produced. In the last video I showed you a little bit of Camaret-sur-Mer. When we left Camaret, we set sail quickly and sailed down the rocky coast. This is really spectacular, but you have to have your navigation right. It was an easy sail, with not too much wind, but we made progress, and in late afternoon we arrived in Audierne. To get to Audierne, you have to sail up a narrow, tricky river, but then you're in the center of the town. It was warm and sunny, really nice, but it wasn't the next morning. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. We just left Audierne. It's 7:30 now. There is no wind, but it is bloody cold. I need a coffee. To get to the next destination, to Concarneau, we had to motor. But at least there were another group of dolphins who accompanied us. Concarneau is a really nice place with a fortress that protects the old city. But nowadays Concarneau isn't just famous because of its ville close, but also because of Commissaire Dupin. Commissaire Dupin is the invention of a German author. His headquarters is Concarneau, and his favorite restaurant is the restaurant Amiral. Of course, you can get there a menu Commissaire Dupin. I decided not to eat there and to leave Concarneau the next morning because I was afraid that the weather window would close and I wanted to press on to Lorient. At least I had the time to read a bit, and of course it was about Commissaire Dupin's cases. To get to Lorient, you have to pass a narrow stretch of water protected by a huge fortress. Behind lies a busy harbour. The German submarine bunkers tell the story of the role of the city during the World War. Nowadays there is a sailing center there, and the bunkers are used to fit out modern sailing yachts. There is also a commercial port, with big ships being unloaded and loaded. I went on to the town harbour, where I should be well protected from the upcoming storm. Lorient was almost totally destroyed during the war, and most of the buildings were built afterwards. So it is not quite a beauty, but it's an interesting place. I haven't explored much of the city, but at least I found a great food hall. Of course, I went shopping there. The place where we are moored is really well protected. The only negative point: there is kind of a bus station just at the opposite side of the river, but we can live with that. More of Lorient's attractions in the next video. See you then.